So it's tax season and I have a lot of work. So I actually was challenged to see if I can come on YouTube more, show my day to day on what I do. And so I said, I'm going to accept that challenge. And here I am. So today I want to talk about like tax payments because it's tax season. I have a lot of time where I can record when I'm taking a break. So I just took a break because I'm going to eat my food and then I'm going to get back to returns. But it came to my attention. One of our clients, she basically sent in proof that she paid a tax bill, but she only sent like the basically like she screenshot the payment part, and then it was rejected, saying that the system didn't recognize like the state that she said that she paid that it didn't recognize it. So she called the state and she's like, they said that they see it. She's like, I paid it, and I think she said the date was like October 2024. She paid it October 2024. So I was like, yeah, you might have paid it. I'm like, but when you paid it, did you assign it to the 2023 tax year? Because we were doing 2023 back then, right? We are doing the 2024 tax filing now, but that payment, you could have actually assigned it to 2024 because you paid it in October 2024. If you didn't specify, I'm paying this for tax year 2023, it's going to be applying it to your 2024 tax year. And so you just need to confirm that. And so that made me think, because I'm in this world, I understand tax seasons. And typically the way I like to explain it to people is like, it's always a year behind. So we are in 2025 right now, but we are in 2024 tax filing season. So it depends on who you work with. They might call this 2025 tax season. They might call this 2024 tax season because we are filing 2024 tax returns. But because there are separate years, the payments have to be applied to the respective year that you want to apply, because the government is not going to have a problem taking your money. They're not going to have a problem with you submitting a check saying, here, $10,000. They will gladly take it. And a lot of the systems now, you have to specify what year you're applying that payment to. But if you don't specify what you're applying that, it's typically going to be applied to like the most current, like the current year that you're in. So it's going to be going against the tax, like the year that you're in, which is the tax year that you're in, which would be 2025, which is not going to have any bearing when you actually file your 2024 tax return. So imagine you submitting a $10,000 payment, and the IRS has a pretty good grasp on this. So you have to basically select the year, but this was a state issue. So you go and you submit it because you put your social security number and all that stuff, and you submit the payment. They're going to accept it, but you didn't specify that it's actually to pay my prior year. They're going to think that you're trying to prepay your taxes for the current year that you're in. So they're going to be applying that to your 2025. And that's what they're going to be doing. So you want to make sure that you know what you're paying and what that payment's going to be applied to, because in this client's scenario, I have a sneaky feeling, once we actually get in touch with the state tomorrow, I have a sneaky feeling that it's going to be that she paid for in October 2024, that they are applying it against 2024, which means she might get a refund for her 2024 return, but she still owes for the 2023 that she was trying to pay for. So I just wanted to jump on really quick because I am going to be going on YouTube a little bit more. I'm going to be more intentional with it. So Atia here, the Savvy Accountant, and I wanted to let you know that I am here. I'm going to be talking about all things tax like I normally do, because our goal is to save our community $1 billion in tax savings. I should have said that earlier, but that's our goal. So I'm going to be coming on here talking about all things tax, but I'm also going to be talking about all things just life, because I'm a mom, I'm over 40, and my life just looks different than when I first started this business, when I first started social media. And as an extrovert, I want to come on here more. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So welcome to my challenge of coming and showing up on YouTube a lot more. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any tax questions, let me know in the comments and I will be getting to them. Have a good night. Bye.